boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. It's always a pleasure to host this channel, and this time we're gonna bring up Emtee's Get Straight to It, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna get straight into the song, and we're gonna do that with capo on the 4th fret. That's the setup, and that's the easiest way to handle it, both when it comes to the melody picking and also the easiest chords. So put that on there, and let's go into the 3 chords we need to have for the song, and that will be the A minor 7, the B minor 7, and the E minor 7. Okay, a lot of 7s here. Let's start with A minor 7, and that goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is the B minor 7. So that's a bar chord we placed index finger on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings, all strings except from the last E string. You don't need that one. And then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. And the final chord is E minor 7, very easy. You use all strings here for this one, and you have to only push down the 2nd fret A, okay? All the other strings are open. And that's the E minor 7. All right, so let's go into the picking style first and do that chord by chord. The first half of this chord progression will be A minor 7, B minor 7. And then the second half will be A minor 7, B minor 7, and E minor 7. All right, so the first A minor 7 goes like this. Okay, so what I do here, I hold the chord as it is. I'm gonna play open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, a short pause here, and then I'm gonna play open A together with 1st B, and then I snap off to get the open B there. So with the finger I'm using, in this case the index finger, I pull off to get the open B. So open A and 1st B together, and then pull off to get the open B, and then I continue with the chord. You're gonna go open G, 2nd D, and then back to open G, and then open B, open G, and 2nd D. So that's the A minor part, slowly like this. Okay, and then into the B minor 7. I hold the chord as it is here as well, and I'm gonna play this part. Okay, so that will be 2nd fret A, 4th D, 2nd G, 3rd B, a short pause, and then I reach out to the 5th fret B string, and I hit that together with the 2nd A. And then I pull off that 5th B to get the 3rd B. Okay, so I keep the chord there and I reach out. I add on the little pinky there on the 5th B. So I have that prepared in the background to get the 3rd B there. So 2nd A and 5th B together. Pull off the 5th B to get the 3rd B. And then I continue with the chord 2nd G, 4th D, then 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd G, and 4th D. That's the B minor part. And that's the first half of it. Then I'm gonna go back and play the A minor 7 the exact same way as I played in the first round or first half. And then I'm gonna play the B minor 7. This time only the 4 first notes, the part where you just roll down from the chord. The 2nd A, 4th D, 2nd G, and 3rd B. Okay, and then I'm done with the B parts, and now I have just the finished part left here, the E minor 7, and it goes like this. That will be to play open E string, 2nd A, open D, open G, and then I play the 2nd G, and then 4th D, and I pull off the 4th D to get the open D. and that's the end note. Okay, so there you have it. I'm gonna take you through one round of this slowly so you really can understand what's going on. Let's do it. Right, that's one round of the melody. Now into the strumming. We can strum this as well. Now we're gonna use the same chord progression, of course. And if you go back to the first chord, the A minor 7, one string around will be like this. Okay, so that will be down, up, then clap, up, down, up. Okay, so that is one round. So a couple rounds. Okay, so we're gonna play A minor 7, 2 string rounds, the B minor 7, 2 string rounds, and that will be the first half of it. And then the second half will be A minor 7, 2, B minor 7, 1, and E minor 7, 1. So one full chord progression round, so to speak, will be A minor 7, 2, B minor 7, 2, A minor 7, 2, B minor 1, E minor 1, like this. That's how it goes through the entire song. Emtee gets straight to it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Goring Guitar. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? And support me in that way. Much appreciated. Thanks, time. Play tuned.